In this video, I'll show you how to make your Windows desktop unique and dynamic with the help of animated wallpapers. To do this, we'll be using a free application called Lively Wallpaper. First, open the Microsoft Store, type Lively Wallpaper into the search bar, and then simply download and install the program. After installation and the first launch, you'll be greeted by a clean interface where the program already offers several built-in, interactive wallpapers. These are high-quality, impressive animations that let you immediately test the software's capabilities. Simply click on the one you like, and your desktop will instantly come to life. However, the true power of the program lies in its ability to set almost any custom video as your wallpaper. To do this, simply open your favorite web browser and search for keywords like free video backgrounds for a wide range of results. Numerous websites, such as Pixabay or Pexels, offer high-quality videos for this purpose, free of charge. Browse through the categories, choose a video you like, and download it to your computer, preferably in full HD or 4K resolution. Afterward, in the Lively Wallpaper application, click the Add Wallpaper button. Browse for the downloaded file, and you can set it with a single click. Many might be concerned about performance, but the software is extremely resource efficient, meaning it won't significantly load your memory or CPU. It works intelligently as soon as you run an application in full screen. Like a game or a movie, the wallpaper playback automatically pauses. The program can handle videos of any length, playing them continuously in a loop on your desktop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more tips, please support my work by subscribing to the channel.